Right guys, so we're out on the boat again. It's been about 12 weeks since we've been out, since I went out on the last trip. Weather's been crap every weekend. We're going to get the rods out and we'll see how we get on. First fish on. Probably a doggy. That's the thing, eh? If it is a flat, when you get it level with the bottom of the boat is when it will get heavy, eh? And it's got to come up like. Get a bit more weight to it now.
Milking it, the boy.
Don't want to pop him off. We've got all our weights.
Could be my fish that you're bringing in.
Yeah, hopefully. Payback. Come on.
A bit of collar.
Yeah, yeah, it's flat.
It's a flatty.
It's under the lines here. This line here, look. It's all under the lines. That's all. Lift that line, this orange one up. That's it. Might have to come over here, mate.
Yeah, nice little tobby. First vlog together. Nice little tobby.
Lovely. First fish of the trip. Hopefully a few more to come, eh? A bit bigger. So Matty's into a fish. Well, look at it. Wait,
Hey.
wait, I haven't felt it. It looked like twice to start with. Wait, touching the lines. Weight's good though. Oh yeah, it's a fish. It's a spider crab, is it?
Oh.
Spider crab, I think.
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's a big crab. Yeah, it's a big spider. Got a feed. Oh, beauty. That's awesome. Yeah. Shows how slack the tide's gone now.
Just had a bite, just gonna let a bit of line out. Let the fish, if it is a fish, let it take the bait. Tide's hardly moving now. Let's have a look. Oh, there's some weight. Yeah, there's some good weight there. Be another spider crab. Yeah. I don't feel like doing nothing, so. Collie it. Oh, I just see this flash or something then. Oh, it's a big cuttlefish. It's a giant cuttle, isn't it? Oh no, it's another spider crab. It is a spider crab. We've got another hook there as well. Hey! Amazing how heavy they feel. It is, isn't it? It's not even as big as yours. crab. Oh, there's something there, look. What's that? Spotted crab. In there.
Another spotted crab.
I think you put the Tomo's on for a thing. It's got 2 baits in it as well again.
Yeah. That's where the weight was on mine, eh?
I had my feathers out when I had that bite from that spider crab, and I've got something on here now as well. On the feathers. Oh, it's a mackie, 2 mackies, 3 mackies. Oh, look, they balled it all up there. Look, it's been left there and not seen. Hey, so I've just pulled my bait in. I've got a queen scallop attached to the hook. Look. Mr. Tomo's into a fish, I think.
Not very big, whatever it is.
Dog. And he's in. A lovely day.
Don't call him Jammy Gary for nothing.
Skill.
Oh, still.
We haven't got it yet. Maybe it's not another spider crab.
Yeah, it is.
Go under this one, look. That one, that one. Go under that. Oh, it's a fatty.
It is, it?
It's a fatty. I need to get under this one here. It's this one here.
That's it. Between them two.
Let me get back out. Don't come on. A bit bigger than the last one.
Two in the hole. Well on, Gary.
Hey,
That's right, mate.
that's what we came here for.
That's why I call it Guernsey Gary fishing.
Guernsey Gary fishing. Fish on again. Don't know what it is. Doesn't feel big, but it could get bigger. It's starting to feel heavier now. Look.
Fine now.
Definitely a fish. He's head banging. His head shaking a bit more than these others. Yeah, he's giving a bit. Might want to put that other rod out the way a bit. Get a bit more room. Bring him round this way. It's a better one.
Yeah.
Lovely little white spot on him there. Cool, he's only just in. He's only just up, mate. The hook, that hook will just fall out. Look, it was up, but it's. Oh no, he's actually in through the guts. Hey, he's biting my finger. That's a better one.
Yeah.
Got a good feed now.
Yeah, bleeding.
Oh yeah. Take that one, put that cottle in the ice box now because it's inked out, and then swap that over in there. Alright guys, so I'll just show you how I've been baiting up my long nose fillet. Just go through 3 times, or 4 times actually, like that. Pull it through up there, and then I can put a loop round and pull that tight on there. That stops it slipping down, and then that's your bait. That's what I've been catching them on. Guys, we're back in, and we are soaking wet, and it's freezing cold now. I don't know if you've seen the weather change in about half an hour. It's absolutely horrible, but we're all done. Just show you the fish that we ended up with. 4 turbot and 3 spider crabs, all caught on the rod. Right, see you later guys. We'll see you on the next one. Hopefully going to go out wrecking next week if the weather's good. See you later.
All the best.